What's up? Nick Dow. Barangay Nick Dow. Before the show. This is the setup. Yeah, what's up? Sound check. Sound check. Yeah. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Yeah. Sound check. 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 Yes.
Check hello.
Sound check. Kuha ka nindot sa lead wall. Ah. Yes. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Sound check, sound check. Yeah, checking pa, yeah. Yeti Compound. Wedding 18th wedding anniversary. Yeah. Sa Dilimadugay yung masaksihan ang dos compañeros o mga selected singers sa Cagayan de Oro City and the province of Misamis Oriental. Yeah. Rausaw. Miss Rona Igot on the mix. Yeah. Yeah. Boss Jonas on the mix. Yes. Popper box. Yes, Topper box. Rock and roll to the world. Yeah, what's I shot. Lito Makas on the mix. The brother of Tata Boyan. What's up? Oh, siya siya. Yang wifey. Mrs. Ha? Live. Live kita karon sa
Check my testing once.
sa balibrikata ni ko.
Ready na ba ang mga performer?
Ready na. Das brother Kuya wo, ready na. Oh, tara.
Ready na?
Ready na mga.
Chada. Marakachada sa Misilia.
Wow. Kita dito siya. Nagtok-tok dito. Oh, what's up? Joy Pascual on the mix. Uy, halali dulo eh. Lindot ba? Jared. What's up?
Isa sa pinali na ito na.
Nananaog kan kayo? Slim kayo nananaog. Caroline Pascual. What's up? Sound check.